Hey there, and welcome to 60 Seconds of Networking. Today's topic, IP addresses. So Adam, can you tell me about IP addresses? You have 1 minute, go. So you turn on a client computer as a network interface card with an IP address assigned to it, also known as a layer 3 logical address. It uses this to communicate with other devices on the network using packets. So that IP address can be either static or dynamic. Static means you configured it yourself on either a server or a printer or a router interface. Dynamic means you turn the computer on, it sends a broadcast, goes through the DORA process to find the DHCP server, which is either configured on a router or on a Windows VM, but more than likely you're using Infoblox, the DHCP software. That's where the network engineers configured an IP pool, which more than likely has IPv4 private addresses that it assigns to the computer requesting it. So now a private IP address can't communicate with the network out there, and you need a public IP address on the router. More than likely, it has BGP configured on it, and the public IP address was assigned by the ISP service provider. And now you got to use NAT, network address translation, to translate the public IP address into the private ones so that the internal computers can all communicate with the outside internet so you can get to Google and watch me. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome weekend.